Hi, and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Vietnamese-style beef and potato stir fry. So let's start cooking. We are proud to announce our collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. Our local Chinese delight course features 10 of our dearest recipes for you to learn hands-on at Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. The experienced trainers here at Pots and Pans are prepped and ready to share with you the offline experience of our dishes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight culinary course. Sign up with the link below or scan our QR code. See you there. Now we're going to marinate and season our beef. I have with me over here 200 grams of chuck tender, sliced very thinly like this. Make sure you slice it against the grain, thinly like this, so that it's more tender. Seasoning is very simple. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Add in also half a teaspoon of sugar. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix this up first. This dish is very simple to make. Just need a few seasonings. Once you have mixed them up well, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of corn flour to protect the protein so that this will be even more tender. Mix them up again. Finally, we'll add in a little bit of oil so that when we cook them, it will separate out easily. Same thing, mix it up. After this, we'll just set it aside and then we can put the dish together. I'll show you how I make the sauce first. Now I prepare the sauce, very simple. 50 milliliters of water, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, as well as 1 whole tablespoon of corn flour. Mix them up well and you'll just set this aside. Now we're going to shallow fry our potatoes first. Heat up a pan of oil, just enough oil to cover the potatoes. Now we need to test whether the oil is hot enough or not. Using a bamboo chopstick, put it in the oil. And we see bubbles rising up like this. That means the oil is hot enough. Now we're adding 400 grams of potatoes, sliced thinly like this. Slowly pour everything in. Make sure you pat dry a little bit so that they won't splatter that much. Spread them into the oil. We'll need to brown the potatoes a bit and cook them through. Now I'm frying them over medium heat. Move them around a little bit. I'm using Holland potatoes over here. These are actually farmed in China. This will not be crispy, we just want to cook them through. If you prefer a slightly crispier texture, you can actually opt for Yukon Gold or russet potatoes. This is an extremely easy dish to actually put together. Quite common in Vietnamese household, I was told. And as you see, the ingredients that was used was actually very easy, as with the seasonings also. One of the reasons why we are actually frying this or deep frying this or shallow frying this is because it will hold its shape better when we put the dish together. Now for the potatoes, after I slice them, I only wash them until the water is clear. I did not soak them in water. This is basically because I want them to have less moisture so that when I fry them, it will not splatter that much. Okay, I will continue to fry them. And I'll show you how they look like in a while. I've been frying this for a while, and as you can see, the potatoes has browned beautifully. We will now remove them from the oil. Do not turn the heat off. Only turn off the heat after you have removed everything. Now once you have removed them from the oil, we'll just set this aside. And now we'll fry our beef with the same oil. Using the same medium heat, just put your beef in. Spread them out. This will be pretty fast. Once it changes color, we'll remove this. We want to cook this until it's about 80% done. So now it's done already. Now the reason why I'm doing this is so that they will be cooked properly and evenly. This is what we want. So this is very fast. So same thing, don't turn off the heat. Just remove the beef. We'll only turn off the heat when we remove everything from the oil. Once you have removed all the beef, we'll just remove all the oil, remaining about 1 to 2 tablespoons, and we'll put our dish together. Now heat up the pan again. Using medium heat, we'll add in 1 onion, sliced thinly like this. Put everything in. You want to soften the onion as well as bring out the beautiful flavors. Alright, just move them around. We just fry them for a while until they are soft and caramelized slightly. I'm beginning to smell the beautiful aroma from this. Alright, something like this will be good. They are soft already. Now we add in our potatoes back again. Pour everything in. Mix them up first. Now we add in our beef. Mix them up again. If you prefer to have more potatoes, by all means feel free to add more. Once we've added everything in, remember the sauce that we made. Give it a light stir again. Make sure that everything is mixed well. Okay, slowly drizzle it. And put it in again. Just mix them up again. This is super delicious. With steamed rice or on top of noodles, fantastic. And now the dish is done. We'll now serve this and have our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. The fragrance from the fish sauce is really, really nice. Let's try the potato first. I love this texture. It reminds me of if there's such a thing, a solidified kind of a mashed potato. Really, really nice, really good. Let's try the beef. Tender, silky. This is really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye.